Hey, Harmonic traders. This is Scott Carney here. I want to talk to you about the Harmonic Pattern Collection Lite for TDAmeritrade's Thinkorswim Platform. This is now available, and I want to show you a quick Harmonic Pattern trade management strategy that we use with the automated Harmonic Pattern Collection and their Trendline tool. Now, I want to show you an example of the crab. Crab is an extension structure. It's an MW formation and has extreme harmonic ratios that we look at for specific zones of resistance and support for trade opportunities. These have different XA, BC, ABCD considerations. These are the measurements that truly make the opportunity a harmonic pattern. But a crab is kind of volatile, and we expect such price action at its completion point, but the opportunity of what we're looking for really occurs after it's tested the 1618. We look for that quick reversal right after completing the pattern, and looks like this. Here's a crab pattern on the QQQ 30-minute. Now, really nice formation, and it actually doesn't veer much from the ideal model, which looks like that. It's a W formation, X, A, B, C, D, X point, usually a rather distinct peak, with A as the initial low. The important thing is C cannot go below A, but Harmonic Pattern Collection Lite for TDAmeritrade does that automatically and calculates all of the essential ratios, including the more extreme BC calculations and extended ABCD formation. Now, you don't need to know every measurement. It's great to understand the entire structure, but the software does it all for you. And now we've put this together on the Thinkorswim platform to break it down quite easily. And you can now identify and look into those zones, examine for confirmation, individual reversal that agrees with the pattern. And the other aspect of it is that we employ our profit targets, target 1, target 2, as measured from the pattern. So everything that we're assessing is based upon this price range, but gives us definable parameters for every aspect of the trade. Critical to identify that, and we do in advance. Once the pattern completes, the zone is tested, it generates the ideal area with our projected target 1, target 2. Now, yes, this does exceed target 2 and actually reaches our tertiary target 3 at the 113. But our main focus, especially on the first reaction, is capturing profit in this area. That's very important. So take a look at that. And one thing I do want to show a way to how to handle these trades. And once they develop, one thing that I look at is a simple trend line off of the top once that gets going. And you can go up to the drawing section and hit your drawing tools and select the angle drawing tool here all the way down, and that's going to give you pretty precise angle of split of trend lines that you can just project right off of D and just encompass it right off that point. Now, this first trend line that comes off of that exact D point, we can call that the accelerated trend line in terms of what we look at in harmonic pattern language. But the simple aspect that once that trend gets going and continues through these areas, that's an easy way also to manage how far we can stay in the trade. Certainly once that violates the trend line, we're out. And in this case, even look at what happens is a rather nice correction, but comes all the way back for a full retest. Don't be surprised to see that. That's why we have the defined parameters as they are. And these initial completions, especially in a crab pattern, will give you great reactions, but they need to be managed properly. So check that out at harmonicpatterncollection.com or go over to harmonictrader.com and get more information. We can set you up with the Harmonic Pattern Collection Lite for Thinkorswim.